Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been on our website, you probably noticed that we have some different games that you can play. Like, for example, you can learn how to create an amazing maze game in project number 17, and there are multiple other games in here. However, I want to show you something that is pretty neat that you can create in Scratch. So the game that I want to show you is a platformer game, so you're able to jump around and do different stuff. But this one is pretty unique. Because this is October, I want to share some spooky projects, and this is a spooky platformer, and it is by Hunted Skelly. Now, if I press the green flag, let's press space. Okay, so it's giving us this like little intro. And now I can actually move this ghost. And what's neat about this is the ghost will like slowly float down instead of just falling down like you would in some other platformers. Okay, so your goal is to get to the right side of the screen without falling into the gap, because if you do, then you restart. Okay, so I thought this was a really neat idea, and the levels that are in here are pretty cool. So if you are interested in creating a similar project, I highly recommend checking out the resources on our website and checking out the link in the description below, which will link directly to this project so you can congratulate them on their awesome project that they created in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.